Today, we'll examine the 2022 Ferrari 812 GTS Ultimate Edition from MANSORY. This impressive supercar is a visual delight, and I'm eager to showcase its features. First of all, let's talk about the body. The car features a sleek and aerodynamic design that not only looks incredible, but it also helps the car reach its top speeds with ease. The body is made from high-quality carbon fiber, which not only adds to the car's strength, but it also helps to keep the weight down. This means that the car is able to accelerate faster, handle better, and reach higher speeds. The body is finished in a beautiful metallic blue color that really pops against the carbon fiber. The color is so vibrant and eye-catching that it's sure to turn heads wherever you go. To add to the car's already stunning appearance, MANSORY has added several carbon fiber accents, including a front splitter, side skirts, and a rear diffuser, all of which help to improve the car's aerodynamics and give it an even sportier look. One of the most unique and eye-catching features is its retractable hardtop. The hardtop is made from high-quality aluminum and is finished in a matte black color. When it's time to hit the open road, simply press a button and the hardtop retracts in just a few seconds, transforming the car from a coupe into a convertible. The retractable hardtop is one of the many things that makes the car such a special and unique car. The interior is just as impressive as its exterior. From the moment you step inside, you are surrounded by luxurious materials, advanced technology, and a level of craftsmanship that is second to none. The first thing you'll notice is the luxurious leather seats, which are fully adjustable and provide excellent support and comfort. The seats are finished in a beautiful cream color that contrasts nicely with the dark interior. The leather is soft to the touch and has a high-quality feel that you would expect from a car of this caliber. The dashboard is also finished in leather and features a large, centrally mounted infotainment screen. This screen provides you with all the information you need, including navigation, music, and climate control. The infotainment system is user-friendly and intuitive, and it's easy to customize the settings to suit your needs. Another standout feature of the interior is the custom MANSORY steering wheel. The steering wheel is wrapped in leather and features a unique design that adds to the sporty feel of the car. The steering wheel is also fitted with a number of controls, including audio controls, cruise control, and the ability to switch between driving modes. One of the things that sets the car apart from other supercars is its advanced sound system. This system features a number of high-quality speakers that are strategically placed throughout the interior to provide an immersive audio experience. Whether you're listening to music or just cruising down the highway, the sound system will make you feel like you're at a concert. Finally, let's talk about the interior lighting. The car features custom LED lighting that illuminates the cabin in a warm and inviting way. The lighting can be adjusted to suit your mood and can be dimmed or brightened as needed. The car is designed with safety as a top priority. The car is equipped with a wide range of advanced safety systems that are designed to keep you protected on the road. One of the key safety features is its advanced braking system. The car is fitted with high-performance disc brakes that provide excellent stopping power even at high speeds. The brakes are designed to be both responsive and reliable, ensuring that you can stop the car quickly and easily when you need to. The car is also equipped with a number of electronic stability control systems, including traction control, electronic differential control, and anti-lock brakes. These systems work together to help keep the car stable and secure, even in challenging driving conditions. Another important safety feature is its advanced airbag system. The car is fitted with multiple airbags that are designed to protect you in the event of a crash. The airbags are strategically placed throughout the car to provide maximum protection, and they are designed to deploy quickly and effectively in an emergency. The car also features a number of active safety systems, such as a forward-facing camera and advanced sensor technology. These systems are designed to help you avoid accidents by warning you of potential dangers on the road. For example, the forward-facing camera can detect when another vehicle is in your blind spot, and the car's advanced sensors can warn you of a potential collision. Finally, the car is fitted with a number of passive safety features, such as reinforced side sills and a rigid safety cell. These features help to protect you in the event of a crash by absorbing energy and preventing the car from collapsing. The car is a powerful machine that is designed to deliver an exceptional driving experience. The car is powered by a naturally aspirated D12 engine that produces an impressive 830 horsepower and 740 Nm of torque. This engine is capable of propelling the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds, making it one of the fastest cars on the road. One of the standout features is its exhaust system. The car is fitted with a custom MANSORY exhaust system that has been designed to enhance the car's performance and provide an even more thrilling driving experience. The exhaust system features larger pipes and a unique muffler design that allows the engine to breathe more freely and produce a more aggressive exhaust note. The exhaust system is also designed to be highly efficient, helping to increase the car's power and improve its fuel efficiency. The larger pipes and optimized muffler design reduce back pressure, allowing the engine to breathe more easily and produce more power. The exhaust system also features a number of other performance-enhancing features, such as a high-flow catalytic converter and a muffler bypass valve. In conclusion, the 2022 Ferrari 812 GTS Ultimate Edition from MANSORY is a supercar that sets the bar for style, performance, and technology. With its powerful V12 engine, custom MANSORY exhaust system, advanced safety features, and luxurious interior, this car truly delivers the ultimate driving experience. As a proud owner or admirer of Ferrari's exceptional automobiles, you can now understand why the 2022 Ferrari 812 GTS Ultimate Edition from MANSORY is one of the most impressive supercars on the market. So, what do you think of the 2022 Ferrari 812 GTS Ultimate Edition from MANSORY? Let us know in the comments section below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and answer any questions you may have about this exceptional car. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.